let's go over the push-up plus. I'm going to show you the more traditional version with a little adjustment. And I'm going to show you how to make it a little bit more applicable for your everyday normal training. So if we're going to do a push-up plus, I typically enjoy my hands being a lot closer together, like in a diamond grip position. This will ensure the scapula will actually have way more movement as opposed to a wider grip. So I'm going to bring my hands together, make a little diamond. I'm going to go up into a plank position or a push-up position, shoulders nice and low. I'm going to pinch my shoulder blades to go down, and I'm going to push my shoulder blades through the ground to come on up. The idea is I want my shoulder blades to be flat with my back, okay? So I don't want to be sagging like so. I'm going to repeat this a couple of times. You should feel right about here, really, really engage, really, really tense, especially if you're pushing all the way up. Now let's do it in a more practical sense. Typically, you usually have push-up in your routine. You want to kind of incorporate it all in one go. So I'm going to start in my push-up position, and usually you do push-ups at a 1.5 times width. So I'm going to go to that position. I'm going to start my shoulder blades fully engaged through the ground. I'm going to pinch my back, go down on my push-up, and when I come up on the push-up, I don't stop here. I want to add the scapula into it. I want to really protract them and to press super hard till I feel them. I pinch them to come back down, and I just do it like so. Making sure I add the scapula at the top. When you go down, make sure you also pinch your shoulder blades together and down so you can get into the opposite position so you can actually protract on the way up. If you don't move through both ranges, you'll kind of just get stuck. Thank you all so much for joining me. We'll see you next time.